Hey, Mr. Fatbird. You just sit up there all day, doing nothing, and still never worry about food or clothes. Man, I'm so jealous. Look at me, working my tail off every day, still hungry, still cold. I really wish I could live like you. So chill, so easy.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, sure you can live like me. But there's just one little thing you'll need.
Really? Awesome. I'm done with this hard life. No more work for me. I'm gonna lie down right here under this tree and relax forever.
Oh, buddy, wait.
Oh no.
Yay!
Poor Rabbit. If only he let the bird finish his sentence. I was gonna
Yay!
say, if you want to live like me, you'd better sit as high as me too.
Yay!